Hi everyone, so this is my Simple Machines Jing. I've gone ahead and done a title, and then over here I have, as being the teacher presenting it to the students, I've started with a slide of the supplies that you'll need to make your flipbook. So I show a cover page here, 3 clean white pieces of paper, crayons, colored pencils, stapler, just the supplies that you'll need. And then my next slide tells the students to line the papers up, leaving about a 1-inch gap between each sheet, and then fold the sheets on top of each other and then staple. So here's one paper showing how you line them up, and then another paper showing you, or another picture showing you how you would staple the book together. And then my next slide, and then as the teacher showing the students saying, this is what your book should look like. Don't forget to write your title. And the title of our book is called Simple Machines. So here it is. And this is my final example for my students. And then being the student, let's take a look inside of the book that I've created. So here I've highlighted each vocabulary term, which would be the simple machines themselves: wedge, screw, lever, plane, pulley, excuse my misspelling here, and wheel and axle. So if we look here, we have a wedge, and then a wedge helps you to pull things apart, and then I've written examples, and then here are the pictures. And the next one is a screw. A screw is used to hold things together, so we have a lid on a jar, a bottle cap, and then this is my drawing of a screw. Lever. Lever thing makes moving heavy things easier. So you could use a bottle opener, and that would be your lever to open a bottle, and that makes it a lot easier than trying to do it by hand. Scissors. The scissors are also a lever. And then here we have inclined plane. So an inclined plane is moved to use items, or is used to move items. So you have the stairs, and that's an incline moving up or down. A sink drain is used to move water down the drain. Pulley, we spelled it correctly here. Pulley is a wheel and rope that can move items up and down. So we have a spool of thread you can use as a pulley. The blinds that you have in your home have a pulley on them, and they pull up and you can put them down. And then we have wheel and axle. Wheel and axle work together to move things with little force, such as a fan or a windmill. So this would be where you would pump or move with your hand, and then here's a rope, and you can spin it, and then that is the wheel and axle. So that is my Simple Machines presentation, and I've presented it as the teacher, and then being the student creating the book. I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching.